Hello, beautiful dancers. Welcome back to my channel. It's Jenna from Bomiart Movement Society. I have a chair line dance tutorial for us today for our Cowgirls twist. It's a fun little routine, lots of unique little improv moments for ourselves so we can really find our own version of this dance. So when you're ready, I would love for you to join me. Like I said, we are going to be doing this in a chair, so finding a comfortable place for yourself to be dancing, either with or without arms. And you could do this on a couch, you could do this on the edge of a bed, you could do this anywhere that just feels right for our bodies, okay? So when you're ready, let's join me on our chairs and let's start learning our dance today. All right, to begin, we're gonna start with our right foot. We're gonna do 4 heel toe struts. So we're gonna go heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. So right, left, right, left. And if you wanna add a little swing of those arms, you sure can. So that way we're challenging the abdominals, get a little swing of those arms of the upper body too. So those counts go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. From here, we're going to have that weight on that left foot. So we're going to take 4 steps, starting with that right foot. It's going to go right, left, right, left. So it goes a little bit quicker. So it goes with our or our heel struts to start. It goes heel, toe, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, good. Let's put that together again with our counts. Starting with our right foot, 5, 6, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk it 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. And we can pick up those feet and those knees as much as we need for those hips. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to go to the left. And this is where we get to make some smart choices for ourselves. I'm going to demonstrate one version, give you other options. We're going to take those heels out, the toes out, the heels out, and clap it. And then we would go to the right. Heels, toes, heels, clap. So you got 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if moving side to side with those ankles and the knees just isn't feeling right today, all good. We could take a heel and heel clap, heel and heel clap. We can also make it more of an upper body movement. 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. And any other options that you want to do are just right, okay? So finding what we need. So let's look at that. We go left and then we go right. So we just did our 4 marches. We went 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. And while we're doing the dance too, I'll be demonstrating all different ways. So finding the version that you need. Try not to get confused when I start to change it up and do something different. Yeah. So make sure that you're following what you need in your heart. Okay. All right, here we go. From the top, starting with those heel toe struts with the right foot. 6, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Walk it on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, how we doing? We feeling pretty good so far? Let's keep going. All right, so we just went to the right. Now we're going to take one little step to the left with the clap and one little twist to the right with the clap. Good. So we can make it again, we can make it more of a twist with the lower body, or we can make it a twist with the upper body. Up to us. So those counts though. So we just went 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 5, 6, 7, 8. So again, finding the twist as we want each side. Wonderful. Let's put that together from the top. Heel toe struts, right foot. 6, and it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. March it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the left, to the right, with 1 left, 1 right. Awesome. All right. We're feeling pretty good so far. I hope so. If you can do me that big favor, just hit the subscribe button. You can like the video, maybe even comment below. I would love to know, what time of day do you like to dance? Are you a morning person, an afternoon, or an evening dancer? Let me know. Just type it in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Okay, here we go from the top. 5, 6. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's finish this off. We get a little freestyle. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you got 4 counts. If you want to lean forward for 2 and then back up for 2, if you want to stay in the center for 4, you do you. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to finish nice and easy with a right, left, just stomping it out. Right foot, left foot. And then we would start it back with our heel toes. So let's look at that last 8 count. That would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Freestyle 2 and stomp it on out to heel toe strut it out again. All right. So feel free to stay right here. If you want to keep going back, working on those steps, feel free. Otherwise, stay right where you are because we're going to be dancing to our music in our chairs. Starting with our heel toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the left, to the right, left, right, and down, down, up, right foot, left foot. Back to those struts. 2, 3. Now we're gonna walk it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. To the left, to our right. Single, single, and down, down, up, right, and left, and strut it. 2, 3, and walk. 2, 3, 4. To our side and other side. And single, single, and freestyle yourself. March it on up. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Quick. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shimmy it on out. Walk it on out. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. March it on. Place. 2, 3, 4. To our left. And again, as we start to go through this, we start to feel a little bit more comfortable. We can make the steps as we want, especially on those twists. If you want to have a little bit more upper body going with it, go for it. And 1, 2, 3, 4, to the side, side. Shimmy it out and march it here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Travel it out to the side. Single, single. 1, 2, up and march it in place and heel toe. Strut it on out. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it on over. Twist it on out. All right, again, as you start to feel comfortable, I want to see you start to really dance. Enjoy the song, enjoy the flow with the body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And take it on over. Single, single, and take it on down and walk it on out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just making sure that we're breathing, always important. 1, 2, 3. And take it on down and right foot, left foot. Strut it. 2, 3, and 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. To our left, to the right. Single, single. Down, down, up, march it on out. All right, great job with Cowgirls twist. Thank you so much for dancing along with me. So honored that you clicked on this video today. And if you want to see more, check out that next video. Bye, everybody.